Students will learn today how to minimize the following DFA. The question may be asked like reduce the given transaction table to the DFA, or they may ask minimize the DFA, or they may ask minimize the transaction table into DFA. So like that they may form the question, and they make you the transaction table or the DFA only, and they ask you to minimize it. Okay, now how to minimize? What is the main criteria in the minimization? Means we have to find the similar states which is taking the transaction for the similar states. Okay, so state to state transaction which is similar, for that states we will combine, and we will combine two states or three states which is having the similar transaction for the given input. Now the inputs are A and B. This is our starting state, that is A, and there here three final states are. Star indicates final states. No, so there are three final states. Okay, this is a simple technique here we have to apply. So we'll see how to solve this. Okay, so see, this is the table we have to construct. So like this we have to construct the table. So from we should not include A here. We should start from B to I, then A to H. Here high is not included. Okay, if it includes, what it will happen, it will repeat the boxes for the same states, so not required. Okay, now you have to construct the empty table first. Then what you have to do, you have to mark all the final states. Okay, now C is our final state, so you mark it. Now F is your final state, you mark it. High is your final state, you mark it. Again here from C is a final state, mark it. F is a final state, mark it. Okay, like that you have to do the marking. Next thing is, see, here two final states are colliding in this box, so we should not mark this box. Again similarly here two final states are colliding, so we should not mark this box. Similarly here two final states, both F and I are final states, so we should not mark this box. Okay, so firstly you have to mark all the final states boxes. Okay, nextly we should construct this table. How to construct? You see, A to B, A to D, A to E, A to G. We no need to write A to C, because A to C we have already marked. See, we have already marked A to C. Okay, so no need to mark that again, because the final states there is no need of considering the final states. So final states C, F and I we are not considering. We are considering other than that B, D, E, G, H. Okay, now how to construct this one? See here they given the solution. See here, for AB we have to write BC and EF like that. For AB, BC, EF. For AC, BD, EH. And for AD, BE, EH. Okay, BE, EH. Now you see in the table, this table, for AE, AD, BE, BH. For AE, AD, BE, that is EH. Okay, so little error it is EH. Now similarly you should construct for all the possible pairs you have to construct. Okay, for A input and for B input you have to combine, and you have to write every states leaving the final states. Okay, after this what you have to do, you have to mark the corresponding one. Now you have to see here BC is marked, so mark AB. You have to check any of these boxes are marked. Now B and C are marked here, so B and C present here, so we have to mark AB. So AB is also marked here. Okay, similarly you see here BF is marked, so this one is marked, so we have to mark AE. So EE also we have to mark here. Okay, EE also we have to mark. Similarly next one BC is marked, so you have to mark AH also. So AH also you have to mark. Similarly BD you have to mark BD. Okay, Why? Because CE is marked, because C is our final state. Again CF is not marked. Okay, so no need to do this because both are final states. Again here CH is marked, so we have to mark BG. So BG we have to mark. Again CH, CI both are final state. EF is marked, so we have to mark DE. D and E also we have to mark. Okay. So this one also we have to mark. Okay. So any one if it is marked, we have to mark it here like that. Similarly, EI is marked, so DH. FH is marked, so EG. E and G we have to mark. Then left out, both are final states, so we should not mark this one. Again CB because C is a final state and H is also a final state. So you can see I and H and I is also marked, both are marked here, so we have to mark HG. So HG, this also we have to mark. So after completion of the marking, our table will be like this. See, this is our final table. Now which are all the table is not marked, that we have to write again. See, AD is not marked, so that same values only you can copy from this table AD. So what are values there? B and EH, that only you can write here again. Okay, BE, BH. So same way BE, for BE you have to write, AG you have to write, and BH, CI, and then CF, EH and FI. So here these were final states, so that's why they didn't wrote. Now you can see the since there are no further marking, we can stop the iteration here. So these are the blanks. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 blocks are 9. This one more. Okay, here not. Okay, this one they have written extra. Okay, this is not there, so are not marked. So now you have to write the construction table. Now you have to check. So in this, okay, now you have to combine the states so that it will taking the transition for the same value. So now see AB, AG and DG. Okay, it's having the value EHB, EH means they are moving to the same BEH. Okay, now the same way here BHBB, HB. Okay, so HB, HB only repeating, so they are moving to the same state here. Okay, now you take BEH. Where is BEH in this state? Okay, these three. Now these three are moving to the same values here, CF and I. Okay, CF, CI, FI. So CF and I. Okay, so CFI are our final states in the previous one. Same way here you see CFI. So you have to combine CFI as a one state, BHI as a one state and ADG as a one state. Okay, so our 9 states we have got now from this one. Okay, now you have to construct the table for those 9 states. Okay, in which A is present, that is our starting state. In which CFI is present, that is our CFI is our final state. No, that is our final state. Now you have to construct the transaction table like this. For A, it is going to BH. Okay, again for B it is going to BH, like that only. Okay, then for A and for B CFI, and CFI for A it is going to ADH and for B BH. That you can get it from the transaction table, the given transaction table. Now we have to construct for the same one the DFA. Okay, only 3 states. So this is your final state. Starting symbol ADH for AB it is going to this one, and here for AB CF for A and for B. Okay, so you have to construct the minimize the DFA at the end. So this is the normal procedure of calculating the minimizing the DFA. Okay, same way you can solve other problems and check yourself. So there are some 8 to 9 problems, but this is a 15 marks question. You have to solve maximum of the problems. Okay,